For this project, I went to Anna's free design tool. We are going to build some dugout shelves to help with organization and storage for helmets and mitts, and also a place to hang some bat bags. So I'm going to make it 96 inches long so that I can make sure that I'm getting the most out of my cuts. I'm going to add a top and a bottom here, and it will all be figured into the cut list. The cool thing about this tool is you can visualize doors and different things to really see your project come to life. I don't need any of that, so I'm just going to unselect those. And then you can print a drawing. It will give you all of the spacing needed. It just makes it so much easier and takes out all the guesswork. And then here is the cut list. I had my local hardware store cut the plywood for me into 11 1/4 inch strips. 2 of them were already at 96 inches, so they didn't need to be cut. And then here I'm just cutting the spacers or the uprights. Using my Craig Foreman, putting a couple pocket holes for the ends. Once everything is cut, the assembly goes together pretty quickly. I wanted to pre-finish all of my boards, so I'm just getting the 2 main shelves, the long piece and the 2 end pieces done, and then I'm going to pocket hole all of the middle dividers. I'm using an outdoor paint here. Since it will be in a dugout, we need it to last and to hold up in the elements. So here are those 2 long pieces I was talking about. And once everything's dry, it's easy to just assemble. I'm using a spacer, so everything is exactly planned out with those drawings using Anna's free tool. I built this in 2 evenings after 2 full days of baseball, so it went really quick and easy. And then that top portion sits right inside. I didn't fill the pocket holes just because it's an outdoor project and it's kind of a rough job, and it'll get the job done. I needed to add some supports, and I also wanted to customize it a little bit and add some names to these base supports. And then this bottom board will house the hooks and the boys' numbers. So I usually just sponge it on and then come back and wipe it off. As you see, the pocket holes will hit the bottom, or it would be the top because this is flipped upside down, and we'll also tie in the cubbies. It just gives it more structural support. And I got everything laid out the way I wanted it. And my daughter came to help me install the hooks and the names and numbers. My friend made the numbers and names for me. I'm going to have to get a Cricut because that's pretty sweet. It just took the project to the whole next level. And then to install it, there was already these 2x6 boards as part of the structure, so I just went ahead and pre-started all of my screws and then drilled straight through the back right into the 2x6. I came back and I added a couple of screws, and it was very, very sturdy. It is going to be holding bat bags, which can get a bit heavy. And it was Memorial Day weekend, so we decided to add some flags for some patriotic flair. The boys loved it, and they are super excited, and it's keeping the dugout way more organized. between innings so we can just grab our gear and go. Hope you like it.
I call shortstop! Let's go! Come on, guys!